Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to add a mobile call button to your website at connect.dataczar.com. So we're going to go to dataczar.com. We're going to log into our account, get our username and our password. Okay, that takes us to dashboard on the main menu. We'll get rid of that, go full screen. And to work on your website from dashboard, you're going to click on the website button. That's where the website builder is. And we're going to actually edit a page. You can add the call button to a page or a post, but we're going to add it to a page. Let's go first to our AAA Webinar Outdoor Scenes website. This is our home page here. We're going to add it down here at the bottom, right in here. So let's go ahead and go back to Connect. So we went from dashboard to website. Now we're going to click on pages to edit our home page. So under home index, we're going to click the edit button here. And we're going to go ahead and scroll down here to the editing box. This is the toolbar, then you have the editing box below that. We're going to add it right in here. So let's maybe hit enter a couple times, bring that up. That looks pretty good. So click to call via mobile at. So I typed in click to call via mobile at. There, my cursor's right there. Now I'm going to hit the insert edit link button. So click on that. And under the URL here, you're going to type in TEL, capital TEL, colon. You can do space or no space. I do space, and then I'm going to type in the number 844-855-2927. So that looks pretty good. You can do it with or without the dashes, and then just click on OK, and there it is. So it's displaying like that. One thing I forgot to do though, let's go ahead and click on that again. Click on the insert edit link. It's right now the target's a new window. We want target none. So make sure that that says target none there. Now I'm going to click OK, and that's good to go. So whenever you make an adjustment to a page or a post, make sure you always click the update button. And so that's it. So let's go back to our Webinar AAA Outdoor Scenes website. I'm going to refresh the screen, Control F5, just do a hard reset. And then I'm going to scroll down, and there it is. Click to call via mobile, and there's the number right there. It works really good. And again, this is for mobile. It's not for desktop. And let's go ahead and go back to Connect. And one thing I'd like to show you too is on the editing screen here, if you go to previews, click the previews button, then there's the mobile. It's still not going to work from the desktop, but this is what it would look like on the mobile right here. So let's go back to simple, and let's go back to the dashboard here. And then also for additional tutorials, make sure to click on our help button on the main menu. And that's right here on the main menu. So let's click on that. And the featured tutorial videos are really cool. We'll go ahead and click on that. Here are the featured tutorial videos, how to start building your website and so forth. Go back to help. And then there's also the tutorial videos button that takes you to our YouTube channel here. And let's go out of the full screen. So let's go back to Connect, back to Dashboard, and that's it. That's how to add a mobile call button to your website at Dataczar Connect.